Don't book your hotel in Lagos, Portugal until you see this. In this video, I'll show you the 10 best hotels in Lagos Algarve, from beachfront luxury resorts to budget-friendly hidden gems. And I'll tell you exactly which area to stay in, and why each hotel is so special. So, join us as we view 10 top hotels in lovely Lagos. Looking at our first excellent hotel, and if you're after a luxury beachfront experience, Iberostar Selection Lagos Algarve is one of the most impressive options in the area. This hotel sits right on Meia Praia beach, so you're literally steps away from golden sand and endless ocean views. The vibe here is modern and upscale, with sleek architecture, large infinity pools, and a full-service spa that's perfect if you're looking to unwind. What really makes this place stand out is the combination of all-inclusive comfort and location. You get amazing food, oceanfront relaxation, and easy access to Lagos town all in one stay. Now if you prefer something central and convenient, Hotel Marina Rio is a fantastic choice. It overlooks the marina, so you get beautiful views of boats and sunsets right from your balcony. This hotel has a more relaxed, classic feel, and it's perfect if you want to be within walking distance of restaurants, shops, and nightlife. Everything in Lagos is basically right outside your door. One of the highlights here is the restaurant. It's not huge, but the views are incredible and it's a great place to dine after a day exploring the Algarve. Lagos Avenida Hotel is one of the trendiest boutique hotels in town. It's adults only, which means it's quiet, stylish, and perfect for a more refined getaway. The design is super modern with a touch of coastal charm, and the rooftop infinity pool is easily one of the best in Lagos. You get panoramic views over the marina and city. Plus, the breakfast here gets amazing reviews. This hotel is high quality, and served with a view, it's the kind of place that makes you slow down and really enjoy your holiday. Next we visit Belmar Spa and Beach Resort, which is ideal if you want space, comfort, and a bit of luxury without going fully high-end. The apartments are large, modern, and perfect for families or longer stays. Location-wise, it's just a short walk from Porto de Mas Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in Lagos. So you get that relaxed beach vibe without being right in the busy center. The spa is a big bonus here. After a long day of exploring cliffs and beaches, having access to a full wellness center really takes your trip to the next level. To see more great travel videos, can you please hit that subscribe button? Thanks, we really do appreciate it. Let's look at our next option where we find Carvi Beach Hotel. This little gem is all about location. This one sits right next to Dona beach, which is often ranked as one of the best beaches in Portugal. It's more on the budget-friendly side, but the views make it feel way more premium. Imagine waking up and seeing those iconic Algarve cliffs in turquoise water. There's also a gym for fitness lovers, and why not enjoy an exotic cocktail as the Portuguese sun sets? Lagos Atlantic Hotel is a smaller, boutique-style stay that feels very personal and relaxed. It's tucked away in a quieter area, which is great if you want to escape the crowds. The rooms are bright, clean, and modern, and many have balconies overlooking the pool. It has that cozy, almost home-like atmosphere. It's also close to Porto de Mas Beach, so you're never far from the coast. A great option if you want something peaceful but still well located. And, quite literally, it's a great taste of Portugal. Moving on, and if you're traveling with family or a group, Vila Palmeira Beach Resort is a fantastic pick. These are spacious villas right by Meia Praia beach, offering privacy and flexibility. You get full kitchens, living areas, and plenty of space to spread out, so it feels more like a home than a hotel. And of course, being right by the beach is a huge win. It's perfect for long, relaxed beach days without having to travel far. Is this the perfect location for a family meal with a view? If you're looking for a fantastic affordable hotel, Ancora Park is a great mid-range option that gives you a lot of value for your money. It has a laid-back, resort-style feel with a large pool and plenty of open space. The accommodations are simple but comfortable, and it's a good choice if you're planning to spend most of your time exploring rather than staying in your room. It's located a bit outside the center, but that means it's quieter and you're still just a short ride away from everything Lagos has to offer. There's still lots of quality food and drink options though, if you choose to spend all day at this lovely location. The Editory by the Sea is a newer, stylish option that blends modern design with comfort. It's perfect if you like contemporary hotels with clean lines and a polished feel. Rooms are spacious and well-designed, and the amenities are solid across the board. It feels fresh, which is always a plus. With a kids area, a fitness center, and a snack bar, there is something to suit all types of visitor. Location-wise, it's convenient for both the beach and the town, making it a well-balanced choice for most travelers. And finally, Cascade Wellness Resort. This is where you go if you want something truly special. It's a luxury resort set on the cliffs, with breathtaking ocean views. The grounds are huge, with multiple pools, restaurants, and even sports facilities. It's the kind of place where you could spend your entire trip without leaving. But what really stands out is the atmosphere. It's peaceful, scenic, and just feels like a true escape, perfect for ending your Lagos experience on a high note. So there you have it. In our opinion, those are the 10 best hotels in Lagos, Portugal, whether you're after luxury, location, or value. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more travel guides, and let me know in the comments which hotel you'd pick. Thanks for watching.